On the budget speech, it was an expansionary budget. Just give us the big details, Riad.
Yes. So, as you said, it's an expansionary budget, so they're increasing spending by about 6%. They say they're still going to manage to get the budget deficit, which was in double-digit figures, down to below 8% of GDP, mainly on the back of rising revenue. So that's obviously partly driven, or to a large extent driven, by the rebound in oil prices that we've seen. But also they're saying they're expecting a significant jump in non-oil revenue, partly from taxation that they're bringing in. They've also cut subsidies. So they're hoping also that this expansionary budget will drive, will revive economic activity in Saudi Arabia, which has been quite, faltering a little bit in the past year.
Yeah, Riad, if you do the exchange, it's about $210 billion worth of revenue and $260 billion of spending. Where will that spending be targeted? Will some of it go to citizens to keep them happy, to keep the fabric of society glued together?
Yes, well, I mean, that's the deal that the Crown Prince is offering. Basically, he's cutting back on some of the subsidies, which he views as a blunt instrument and a wasteful instrument because it encourages waste in terms of energy consumption, for example. And most of the subsidies seem to be ending up in the pockets of the rich, the people who don't need it. So he's starting now something, I think it's this month or next month, they're going to start what they call the citizens account, where they're going to look at people's revenue or income, personal income, and then from that decide, how much money they're going to get paid from the state.